I'm trying to convince my wife now for several years that I do not snore in order to ruin her life. I didn't even know it was happening until you woke me up to tell me about it. Which, by the way, how is that a net gain for the team? I'm asleep, you're awake, you wake me up, now we're both awake? Why is that better? Now I got to get my stuff and go to the couch and try to get back to sleep. Next time, cut out the middleman. Leave the happy sleeping guy. You sleep on the couch. Talk about it tomorrow.